Hey guys, so I wanted to actually show you guys what I was playing with today. Where you can see like the hair thingy. But yeah, I was actually playing with Dolce and Gabbana Cosmetics, and I was just testing it out, giving it a shot today because it was a really hot day today. It was in the hundreds and my skin was very oily. I was trying to see just how the makeup wears also. And I was playing with the matte foundation and also, what else? The matte foundation and also the luminous foundation too. Let me actually get those, that way you guys could like see what I'm talking about. So I was using the Perfect Matte Liquid Foundation and also the Perfect Luminous Liquid Foundation by Dolce & Gabbana. So I was using these two. I used Bisque 75 and Amber 148 to get my color. I had to like blend. One was of course darker and then the other one was a little bit lighter. I also used powders by Dolce & Gabbana too, the foundation powders. One was in the Ivory 50. That one, of course, I used kind of as like my highlight. And then I used the Warm 100 and bronzer. I used Sunshine 30 from Dolce & Gabbana. The packaging is really nice. And this stuff was not cheap. Not cheap at all. Like one of these boxes, like one of the foundation, Perfect Matte Powder Foundation, $61. But it's beautiful. Like it came in a little case like this, and then it, of course, comes out. It's beautiful. So I did a little video on it. I just need to put I was doing the application, and then I actually wanted to give an end result, but I'm doing my end result right now. So it looks really nice. I did have to touch up once, just because I oil so much and I perspire so much. Hey guys. How are you? And what else? What else? Hey. Hi everybody. And then I used the Perfect Matte Liquid Foundation, which gave a really nice flawless effect. Let's see if I can focus this to, because I look super white. Well, anywho, hopefully it adjusts, hopefully. And I also use the Perfect Luminous Liquid Foundation as the lighter area on my T-zone area, so then that way it kind of blended. But yeah, then I got this. I mean, it looks really nice, but $61 per foundation, 61. 61. And what was that? Oh, it was the brush that the bronzer has in the little pouch, which was actually kind of cute. So this was the packaging. So it came like this, and then in here in the front has a little pouch for the blush, or the brush. I'm delirious already, it's late. But yeah, it comes like that. It has Dolce & Gabbana written in it. And then it comes with a little brush in the front. Hey, how are you guys? And this is the end result. So I was using a little bit of mixture of all these things. Hopefully I get to upload that video soon. That way you guys could see it. All right, well, that is the end result of the look that I was doing with the products that I had used from Dolce & Gabbana. And the mattifying effect that I gave, really nice, beautiful. I'm amazed. I'm kind of sad that they're discontinuing this too. I was hearing through the grapevine that it was being discontinued. I hope that's not the case, but if it is, thank gosh I got my hands on it. Hey, how are you guys? Let me see who's on here. Hi, Floyd. Hey, Beth. If you're loving it, can swing by the Bear and Beauty outlet store at South. That's where I got this. So I know somebody that actually works there, and I bought, it hurts to say, but at least almost $400 I had spent. Yeah. Hey, Savannah, hello. And yeah, I mean, I bought like all these things, and I mean, I ain't mad at it. It's beautiful. What are your guys' thoughts on it? Like, I did prime my skin. I moisturized, especially out here in Las Vegas. Weather is, it does affect our skin out here. So if you're oily combination, dry, which I used to be very, very oily, and I had a lot of hydration, but that was of course because I used to live in California once when I moved out here to Las Vegas. Now my skin is super oily, but very dry at the same time. So I have to alter my skincare so then that way it could fit the climate here. But also it depends too with allergy seasons, and yeah, so you guys know all of that, you know, how you have to caution your makeup application so then that way it fits for that season or what have you. Or if your skin is going through some breakouts or the texture changes, if you tan, then you have to, of course, alter your tone. So yeah, but anywho, hey Claudia, hello, hello, hello. Just doing a review on the Dolce and Gabbana that I had played with today. And yeah, if you guys have any comments, feel free to comment below what your thoughts are. And thank gosh I got my hands on these before they're gone. And yeah, well, until then, guys, hopefully I get to upload that as soon as possible once I figure that out. All right, until then, bye, guys.